Hey everyone, Billy Darr here and welcome to this first video. Okay, now this is a video where we're going to kickstart the 30-day challenge. Okay, now what I mean by the 30-day challenge is over the next 30 days I plan to release 30 different videos where I take you behind the scenes of my business and I show you how we've generated millions of verifiable dollars on the internet. Okay, so I'm going to show you inside of my accounts. I'm going to show you exactly what we do, but more specifically, I'm going to be showing you the strategies and the tactics that have allowed me to generate multiple six figures a year in net profit. Okay, so specifically, I'm going to be showing you about digital products, which is how to create and sell your own digital products. I'm going to be showing you how to do affiliate marketing, which is how you can sell other people's products. And obviously, as well as that, I'm going to be showing you a little bit about webinars, which is slightly more advanced and you need a lot more knowledge on how to actually do that. And there's only so much I can show you in these short videos that I plan to release over the next 30 days. And as well as webinars, I'm also going to be showing you a little bit about high ticket items and how I sell that or sell those in my business. Okay, now this channel specifically, or rather mainly, will be about affiliate marketing and how to create and sell your own products. But like I said, I'm going to touch a bit on webinars and high tickets as well, just because it all fits in as a business model. Okay, you don't usually just do affiliate marketing, although you can. You don't usually just create and sell your own products, because once you have you've created and sold your own product, you have a customer list, and to that customer list you can sell affiliate products. To that customer list you can do webinars, and to that customer list you can also sell high ticket items. Okay, so it all goes hand in hand, and this channel is going to be about digital marketing. You can see some of my previous videos that I've put out have been about showing you guys proof that I've actually generated millions of dollars. So as well as that, you want to be making sure you subscribe to this channel. You want to make sure you like the videos, share it if you find it valuable. And this first video is just to kind of give you an introduction as to what I plan to do over the next 30 days. But yeah, some of the videos will be as you can see, like this, where I'm just talking to you guys on a web camera. Some of them will be where I'm actually showing you a tutorial, so I'll be logging into Keynote and showing you a presentation and actually teaching you something step by step. And other times, I might be showing you my actual screen. So I'll be showing you, what to click, what to press, how to set up different things. Or I might be showing you a case study of how much money my business has generated in December 2019, because that's the month that we're in, and that's the month that I plan to do this, this 30 days of videos. So you want to make sure you subscribe, and you want to make sure you turn on the bell as well, just so you get notified of these videos that I plan to pump out. Now obviously, quick note on the production value, it's not going to be super high quality in terms of production. I just plan to give you guys as much value as I possibly can, and then see how it goes for 30 days. If you guys enjoy it, if you guys like the content, if you guys subscribe, and if you guys engage with the content, then what I plan to do is in 2020 I plan to really scale up excuse me, my YouTube channel, and I plan to show you a whole bunch more in a lot of more detail, a lot more step by step as to how you can create and sell your own products, how you can launch them, how you can find people to actually help you do the different various pieces of creating and selling your own product, all the different things that it entails, like writing the sales copy, doing the graphic design, sales videos, so on and so forth. Show you exactly what goes into that, and also show you exactly how you can build up your email list, promote affiliate products, and as well as that, do webinars and high ticket items. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this quick video. You've got a lot to look forward to, so make sure you subscribe. And you can see my eyes are actually red. I just come out the shower and I thought, I'll do this video right now, even though it's like 1 a.m. here in the UK. I thought, we'll get this 30-day challenge started. And I'll leave you with one tip before I go. Okay, so if you've been constantly purchasing product after product, if you've been constantly searching for the truth, okay, then the truth is, and this one thing is really going to help you in 2020. Okay, so you really want to focus on building up an email list. Now, I've mentioned this in my past videos. I've mentioned this in this video. I'm going to continue to mention it to you guys in some of the future videos, where I actually show you more step-by-step tutorials as to what it actually entails. How do you actually build up this email list? Okay, what is the process? What is the web pages that you need? What software do you need? And then where do you get traffic from, and how do you put all the pieces together? And the reason why I always talk about building an email list is because it's the one thing in my business that's allowed me to generate, $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month, $20,000, $50,000, $80,000 a month. And I'm talking about net profit. Okay, it's all derived from having an audience of people that I can speak to, an audience of people that I can communicate with, that I can give value to, and I can help solve their problems. And when I solve somebody's problem, in exchange for solving the problem, I can charge some money. Okay, now whether it's I'm solving the problem by offering them an affiliate product that might help them and I make a commission, or I solve their problem by creating and selling my own solution, and when they purchase that solution, I make money. Or if it's a more higher end solution, where, for example, someone buys my coaching or one-on-one program or group coaching program, and I help them in that capacity, and I solve their problems, and I make money. So it's all about solving problems. It's all about helping people, and when you solve people's problems, when you genuinely help them, that's when you're going to make money. But in order to actually help people and solve their problems, you need an audience of people to speak to, and you need an audience of people who share a common problem, whether that's the weight loss space, whether it's the dating space, whether it's the dieting space, whether it's the make money online space or the internet marketing space. Okay, so you want to find that market, and then you want to go out there and do whatever you need to do to build up an email list. And I'm going to be sharing a lot more about this email list and how you actually build it, how you cultivate it, how you build a relationship with it. I'm going to be showing you my own email list. I'm going to show you some case studies where I, on a day-to-day basis, where I log into one of my accounts and I show you how much money I've made from promoting an affiliate product. I'll show you the email behind it. I'll show you the strategy used, and all that good stuff. So you've got a lot to look forward to, guys. Yeah, so that's the one tip in this video. Build up that email list. Start focusing on it. Start learning everything you can about email marketing, because that's the one thing that's going to help you. That's the one thing that all 6, 7, and 8-figure marketers actually have in common. They all have a huge list of subscribers. Now, yeah, there's some people, that don't have big email lists, that might be driving traffic from YouTube or from Facebook or from Google, and that's all well and good. But I believe in, having your own, your own source of traffic that you can control, your own source of traffic that you can basically send on demand to any product, to any offer that you want. For example, you wake up one morning, you decide you need to make some money today, you have an email list, you send out an email. It's very, very simple. You start seeing sales. Okay, now if you're doing anything else, there's a huge time delay that comes into place. Okay, and not to mention the consistency of having an email list allows you to make money every single day. Okay, so we're going to wrap up this video here, guys, and we'll be talking more about affiliate marketing, list building, product launches, high ticket offers, and webinars in the next subsequent videos. So guys, I'm kind of new to YouTube. I am new to being on camera, so be nice and look out for the next few videos that I'll be releasing. It's going to be pure value. It's going to be from the trenches of what I've been doing to generate millions and millions of dollars on the internet. Even though the production value might not be high, the quality of the information that I'm going to be providing to you, you can actually guarantee that the information that I'm going to be sharing with you has come from the trenches, is working right now, and it's making me money in my business right now. So look out for the next video, and I'll speak to you all very soon.